Creating a pad on the Tyros range of keyboards. This would apply from Tyros 1 right through to Tyros 4. Firstly, we need to select a suitable voice that would suit the style that we wish to make a multipad for. In this case, it's an ethereal style, so I want to use the voices within the style. So I'm going to use a sweet orchestral flute. To create the multipad, go to the right of the screen and press the digital recording button. On screen you will see three options. We need options Multipad Creator, which is on button C. Now you can see 4 pads that are in the existing bank. We don't want those, so press the button C again and we now have a new bank. They're all blank. We have 2 other things we need to do when we create a pad, and at the bottom of the screen you will see repeat and chord match for pads 1, 2, 3 and 4. On the repeat, if you press repeat, then whatever you record will be constantly repeated while that button is depressed. In this instance I want one-shot pads, so I'll leave pads 1 to 4 on the repeat on the off position. On the chord match feature, we can either have the music recorded as it is, or we can match the chords that we are actually playing, and I think this is the best option. So on pads 1 to 4 I would initially turn these all on. So now we have 4 chord match pads switched to on. I can now progress with recording my first pad. So press the record button, button H, and you'll see that pad 1 is highlighted. As soon as I touch the keys it will start recording. Okay, now recorded pad 1. I'm going to save that now because I wish to change the voices and we need to come out of the screen. So press save, save at the bottom, and we can call this simply new pad. Okay. If you look to the left of your screen at the bottom now in your multipad control, you'll see that button 1 is illuminated. Okay, so I'm coming out of that screen now, and on part select 1 on voices, I'm now going to select some strings. We'll use live strings. Again, press the digital recording button to the right of the screen and button C, Multipad Creator again. Now press button B for pad 2. We can now press record again, and as soon as we start playing it will record. Stop. Now we have pad 2. So we now have 2 pads on the multipad control. We can save this again to the same name to overwrite. Yes. Now exit. The same procedure will apply for pads 3 and 4. If we press pad 1, start the style. Multipad 1. Multipad 2. And stop the style. Now we can actually name those multipads. To do that, we need to go back into digital recording again, button C, Multipad Creator, pad 1 and button D, which is name. We can call that flute. And OK. Button B, which is pad 2, and name. And that was strings. OK. And again, press the save button, button I. Save, which will overwrite the pad again. Exit, exit. And now there we have the pads named and ready to go with the style.